I'll play to you an excerpt from my free course where I teach you how to sign your first $97 per month paying members. And in this video I teach you and I show you how important it is to sign the first 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people paying you $97 per month. Because if you don't get a paying member when you're starting growing your membership coaching program on Skool, you might fail. But if you do sign some people, you're gonna be able to stay on Skool, you're gonna be able to keep growing it all and start being paid, covering your costs, and succeed. Enjoy this video and find the link to my free course down below so you can get access to the full free course and our free support community where we work together, we support one another, and we grow our membership programs further. My first goal here with you is gonna be that you sign the first 5 people paying you. This is the most important milestone that you're gonna need to achieve. Get 5 to 10 people paying you $97 per month. This is very important. You will start getting paid. This is gonna confirm that you are on the right track. You're gonna energetically start breaking through and you're gonna cover your costs and you're gonna feel like, oh, I can continue now, right? You will start helping people. They will transform their lives and you're gonna start building, creating successful case studies of people who you are helping. So then you will be able to attract even more people coming to you, right? And you will learn so much on this journey when you're gonna start now talking to people and signing the first few people, and it's gonna allow you to improve your message, your knowledge, and your course. So then you're gonna be able to start accepting more members. You will be ready for the next stage, which is how to get to 100 people paying you monthly fees. Understand this, that most of people who I saw and worked in the past with who did not sign even 1 or 2 paying members, they failed and gave up and never came back. Okay, that's like 60 or 70% of people. Most of them I didn't even coach. I just saw them coming and closing their schools or their programs and they failed. But those who signed the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people paying them, many of them are also, I documented their case studies. Whoever worked with me and got to first 3, 4, 5, 7 people paying them, they succeeded and they stayed then for longer. So this is a very important milestone for you to understand. If you only can sign 2 or 3, 4 people paying you, you're gonna be able to stay. You are covering costs, you're already now making some money, recurring income, and then you can go and build from there, right? So this is very important. I need you to follow through this course of mine and actually do the work so you get 5, 6, 7 people paying you. I really want us to achieve this milestone. Now these are the first 3 steps through which we're gonna get you to be able to have those 5, 10 people paying you and signed up, right? The first step is that we need to create your membership offer for which you can charge $97 per month. We need to decide on the outcome of your offer, create a mini course. It's gonna have a price point to it, as I already mentioned. You need to create your offer. That's gonna be your step 1. You're gonna click on this link down below and it's gonna take you to the module of this lesson, which is in our Premium Life Workshop class. It's in the other school of mine. So these first 3 steps are in my other school. Just follow through, right? Create your membership offer, get access to the template, follow through the other few tasks here. You're gonna learn all of those steps in that step 1 module. Then you're gonna need to choose the Skool app for your platform. So you're gonna continue with step 2. So you are now able to collect people's money, and Skool is gonna allow you to host your membership program. And having a Skool app as your membership platform, this will be your first automated system that you now have in place, because you can now accept people paying you automatically and they can take the first steps on their own and then come to your group calls and start transforming their lives, right? And then step 3, we need to start working on signing your first 5 people paying you. You're gonna find the link here and the module is linked to it, and you're gonna go on this journey now of signing the first 5 people. It's all explained there to you. After you're gonna complete these first 3 steps and you signed 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people paying you, we're gonna move into the step 4. Step 4 is gonna then be automating the whole growth journey of yours. We're gonna start putting another 2, 3, 4 automated systems in place through which you're gonna be able to grow from 5, 6, 7 people to 50, 100 and then some. I am looking for people who want to get to hundreds of people signed in their membership program. Please do the work, let's help one another and let's succeed.